The key is having a renovation team that delivers first class. And we say, what's going to happen to Paradise Valley in the next 5 years? Renovation, renovation, renovation. This is the future of what's going to happen in Paradise Valley.
It's going to be one of a kind. It'll have the same Cullum homes, fit and finish that all our projects do. Over 11,000 square foot. We're excited right now going through the designs.
The biggest way that we can make an impact in Paradise Valley is to show exactly what luxury is capable of. This is the world of reality in the future. Make no mistake about it, the right time in Paradise Valley is now.